I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your phone number on Affirm, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Tap on it to view your current details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find a field for your phone number and enter the new number you want to use. Make sure to double check for any typos. Note, if you accidentally enter an incorrect number, you might miss important notifications. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on Affirm. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance.